Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create skills in Claude in 2026. Now, in order to do it, first of all, you need to come here on Claude AI and you need to simply log in into your account if you haven't already. Now, when you are here inside it or when you are here on the home page, first of all, you will be shown this type of section over here. So simply click on this plus icon and here you will be shown the skills section available. So you can find these options over here. You can also hover over to the left hand side, then click on the option of customize, and then you can look for the option of skills. Now over here you are going to see a bunch of different types of skill creator information that is given over here. So you can simply click on the option of plus on the top right hand corner, then you can click on the option of create skill. Now over here you can create the skill with Claude. You can also write the skill instructions and you can also upload any of the skills that you have. So since you want to create it with AI, you just have to click on the option of create skill with AI, and now it is going to ask you, let's create a skill together using skill creator skill. First ask me what the skill should do. So over here you just have to simply provide exactly how you want the skill to respond or how you want Claude AI to create that skill for you. So for example, if you want to use it for writing, you can ask it to select the writing style, the tone, the formatting, the rules, and the workflow. And the more specific instructions that you give, the better skill usually perform. So over here, you can provide this information and then you can hit enter. Now, after adding the instructions, save the skill, and Claude is going to basically remember those instructions whenever you use that skill again. Now, you can also click on this plus icon over here in the bottom and then you can go to skills. Over here, you can click on the option of add skill, and as you can see, there are a bunch of different skills that are available. So if you want to find any one of these, you can just simply click on it, and this is going to be the skill that is available here. If you want to install it, simply click on the option of install on the top right hand corner of the screen, and this particular skill will be added here inside your Claude AI account, and you can also use it in your project, and it will be very easy for you to use this way. So that's how you can basically use skill inside Claude. Thank you.